Lisa and I will be doing 10 reps of each exercise, 3 exercises in a row. 8, 9,
one more.
10.
You know, Kiana, I have something to admit.
What?
I used to absolutely be so frustrated with my shoulder workouts. I always used to train lower body, focus on that, and then I tried to incorporate upper body, and I was so weak with my shoulders. 5 pounds was a lot for me. So now that I learned the proper form and I know how to do it, it's just a lot easier for me, and I enjoy working shoulders. Yeah.
Well, good.
Yeah.
So basically, you're stronger now, so you enjoy training your shoulders more.
Right, definitely.
That's good. That's a good motivational story, because once your body gets stronger and used to weightlifting, exercising becomes much more fun and feels good. Pretty soon you start to miss it.
Yeah, I do. I notice, you know, and another reason, too, that I started exercising, I know we've talked about the benefits of working out, looking good, you know, feeling better, but the real reason that I started working out had to do with the fact that I always used to be so stressed out, so I used exercise to deal with stress.
Definitely relieves excess energy and relieves stress. Gets the positive, feel-good hormones going called endorphins. The word of the day, endorphins. Now, giant sets are basically taking 3 exercises, doing 1 set immediately after the other. You're starting with the basic shoulder movement called the shoulder press. Lisa's doing this with perfect form. We're going to do 8 reps of each one and move right into the next movement.
Okay, one more.
Okay.
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 Now
moving on to the front raise for the anterior delts.
Okay. I really have to concentrate on lifting up with my shoulders and keeping them no higher than eye level.
Right, and not swinging.
Right,
That's
that's true.
You see swinging the weights, then it becomes more of a back movement.
You know what, I used to do that when my shoulders were very weak. I used to swing up with my back.
So form is very important. Notice Lisa's form, she's just lifting with the shoulders straight up to shoulder level. Perfect.
Okay. Lateral raise now.
Side lateral raises from the side head of the belt. Your shoulders look good.
Thank you. And you know what I have noticed, Kiana? I've noticed that since I have been working out with you, I have gained a little bit of muscle, because I know we're working out together for the past few weeks, so.
I like that.
That goes to show you how the right program is so important.
I want you to bring it up a little higher if you can.
Oh,
Hold it for
okay.
a beat. Last one, and up. Good.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. I'll move up and wait
Okay.
a little bit. I like to start off with a lighter weight and move up. Every set to a heavier weight. Shoulder press, up.
And you know what, I've noticed that since I've been working out with you, we've started with a lighter weight and gone to a heavier. I think that's what has really made a difference with my workouts and my results in the past few weeks.
Well, good. Maybe your body responds quicker to heavier weights, like mine.
I think so.
See, we're not only wearing matching bikinis, we have matching shoulders. Do the front raise.
Front raise.
And up. 2, 3. I like to hold it for a beat at the top, right there. Feels good.
Do you ever vary your counts with your shoulders also? Lower for a slower count?
Sometimes, but usually when I giant set, I don't. Ooh. Okay, side.
Okay, side raises now.
And up. Ooh, that breeze feels good.
And you know what I noticed when you do that also, Kiana, is that you tilt the wrist a little bit. Is there a reason that you do that?
Sort of like you're pouring water out of a pitcher. It helps to isolate more of the side delt. And 10. All right,
perfect.
Good workout.
Blast your delts into shape with trisets. Trisets are excellent for when you've hit a plateau in your training progress and need a new twist to shock your muscles into shape. Pick 3 different shoulder exercises and do 1 set immediately after the other. Presses are excellent to add size and shape to the overall deltoid area. Doing this exercise seated is stricter and puts less strain on the lower back. For perfect symmetry, move your way to the anterior delts with front raises. This movement can be done alternating or with both arms at the same time, as I am doing. Raise the weight to shoulder height and hold it for a beat at the top. Control the weight and let the muscles do the work. Complete 10 to 15 reps before moving on to the 3rd set of your giant set. Throw away your shoulder pads. Side raises are one of the best exercises for adding width to the side head of the delts. Tip the thumbs down at the top of the motion to isolate the side delts and pump up your shoulders. Remember, having well-rounded shoulders will make your waist look smaller and adds to the overall attractiveness of the body. Try trisets.